Wednesday marks the end of the Guam Waterworks Authority's bottled water distribution for customers affected by dieldrin contamination in the Yigo Santa Rosa area. The conclusion of the service follows 4 consecutive weeks of non-detect results for dieldrin in Yigo's well Y15 after the installation of an interim treatment system. And while that's a promising sign, residents say they're still waiting for official confirmation that their water is safe to drink. GWA making a formal request last Friday asking the Guam Environmental Protection Agency to lift the Do Not Drink Without Treatment advisory. Yigo Vice Mayor Pedro Blas says while he appreciates GWA's progress, he believes the final decision should come with more assurances.
They're going to end their water distribution today, and yes, they provided the test results to justify that. But one of the concerns is that the notice should be lifted before we just call it quits and say, okay, everything's good. Because at the end of the day, EPA has to be involved in these proceeds, right? In this process of saying whether or not we're safe.
Blas adding he's glad the cleanup effort appears successful and looks forward to the installation of a permanent treatment system. And while many residents share that same relief, they continue to seek accountability and long-term support.
One of the biggest things that they're still worried about is that when the data came out and they found out that dieldrin has been in the well since 2012, a lot of them are demanding now for, cancer screenings or any medical outreach that can relate to finding whether or not dieldrin has caused certain sicknesses or can cause certain long-term sicknesses or illnesses within the community who has been consuming the water.
The Yigo mayor now calling for greater transparency moving forward, not just for Yigo residents, but for the entire island.
Hopefully moving forward, the message is given to our people sooner than what we've had to see.
KUAM reached out to Guam EPA for comment. Meantime, an oversight hearing on dieldrin contamination is expected to pick back up sometime in December.